2026 Beta RS lineup, the ultimate evolution of Enduro. The pinnacle of Italian off-road mastery. Speed riders, where we live for the machines that conquer the unbeaten path. Today, we're diving into the heart of Italian off-road excellence with a lineup that represents the absolute cutting edge of Enduro performance. This is the 2026 Beta RS series, spanning from the nimble 350 cubic centimeters to the powerhouse 500 cubic centimeters models. Beta hasn't just updated these machines, they've completely re-engineered them from the ground up, creating what may be the most refined and capable Enduro motorcycles ever to wear the historic Beta badge. Design and ergonomics, purpose-built Italian craftsmanship. The 2026 RS lineup features a completely redesigned chassis and bodywork that sets new standards in the Enduro world. Each model boasts a laser-focused ergonomic package with a slimmer profile, more aggressive rider triangle, and improved weight distribution. The new composite subframe is both lighter and more durable, while the bodywork is more streamlined for better maneuverability through tight technical sections. From the precisely routed cables to the new hour meter and fuel level indicator, every detail is crafted with the serious Enduro rider in mind, maintaining Beta's signature Italian style while delivering unmatched functional design. Powertrain performance refined to perfection. Across the entire RS range, Beta's engineers have worked miracles with the proven four-stroke power plants. The 350 cubic centimeters model delivers incredibly tractable power with explosive mid-range, while the 500 cubic centimeters version offers devastating torque with unprecedented smoothness. New cylinder head designs, refined fuel injection mapping, and updated exhaust systems create power bands that are both broader and more controllable. The signature Beta engine character, immediate throttle response coupled with manageable power delivery, remains intact, but with a new level of sophistication that gives expert riders more tools while remaining accessible to developing competitors. Chassis and suspension championship winning geometry. The revolutionary new chassis represents Beta's biggest technological leap for 2026, featuring optimized flex characteristics and improved mass centralization. The frame provides unparalleled feedback and stability. The premium Sachs suspension front and rear has been completely revalved and features new internals for more progressive action and better bottoming resistance. Whether you're choosing the flickable 350 for tight woods or the stable 500 for open terrain, each model in the lineup shares the same championship-winning DNA while being specifically tuned for its displacement class and intended riding style. Riding experience connected to the trail. Throwing a leg over any model in the 2026 RS lineup is an immediate revelation in how a modern Enduro bike should feel. The lightweight handling and precise steering make the bike disappear beneath you, allowing complete focus on the trail ahead. The engines pull cleanly from idle with no hesitation, building power predictably through the rev range. The suspension soaks up everything from sharp square edge hits to high speed whoops with incredible composure. This is a motorcycle that builds rider confidence exponentially, encouraging you to attack sections you would normally approach with caution and making every ride feel like you've just unlocked a new level of skill. Final verdict: the new Enduro benchmark. From speed riders, the conclusion is undeniable. The 2026 Beta RS lineup represents the new gold standard in the Enduro world. By focusing on refinement rather than revolution, Beta has created motorcycles that feel genuinely sorted in every situation. The combination of explosive yet controllable power, exceptional chassis balance, and premium components creates a riding experience that's both immediately rewarding and endlessly capable for the serious Enduro enthusiast who demands the best combination of Italian character, championship performance, and real-world reliability. The 2026 Beta RS lineup doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them in every possible way. The future of Enduro is here, and it's wearing red.